Welcome to the introduction of SmartKnitter. We are the all-in-one solution for knitwear production, integrating both knit spec and knit instructions into one software, resulting in higher efficiency and accuracy. Unlike traditional handwritten spec sheets, our software revolutionizes the knitwear production process with our innovative solution. Knit spec is calculated automatically in SmartKnitter. This avoids calculation errors and makes steps calculation easier. We provide all possible curve combinations for technicians to choose from. Panel shape is updated instantly as technicians edit the knit spec. Linking instructions are generated automatically to facilitate communications between production teams. SmartKnitter has auto grading function. After finishing the spec sheet for the sample, SmartKnitter can create spec sheet for all sizes based on the measurements provided. Technicians no longer need to rewrite spec sheets for all sizes. SmartKnitter provides an all-in-one solution, integrating both knit spec and knit instructions into one software. Technicians no longer need to input data from spec sheets to other software. With just one click, knit spec of all panels and all sizes are translated to knitting instructions in our Smart Graph module. Our software is compatible with over 90% of V-bed knitting machines in the market, providing different setting templates to cater various machines at export. These are the machine codes generated for all panels. We can now export them to machine files, and they are ready to knit. The software calculates estimated production time at export to facilitate production planning. SmartKnitter offers a basket of unique functions for modern knitwear. One of our key cost control features is yarn estimation. Not only the knit spec is graded automatically, we also provide yarn estimation for each graded size. Without the aid of software, it is extremely difficult for technicians to estimate yarn use for complicated striped sweater in different sizes. The cost of materials accounts for over 50% of the total production cost. Precise quotations is the key to securing orders and profit. Our yarn percentage estimations made yarn ordering easier and more accurate, resulting in better cost and quality control. As knit instructions are translated directly from the knit spec, we can ensure that the stripes are aligned properly in every size. Apart from 2D simulation, we also provide 3D simulation to facilitate communications between technicians and designers. This feature avoids unnecessary sample making and streamlines the production process. Let's take a look at asymmetric hems. Asymmetric hem can be achieved using our hollow panel method for easier grading. Complicated knit spec is translated automatically into knit instructions. Curved hems. Curved hem can be specified in SmartKnitter with node measurements for better shape control, where the curvatures are maintained across different sizes after grading. Hollow panels. This function can be used for knitted turtleneck dips and curved hems. Division lines. fashion garment with asymmetric sleeve shapes can be made using this function. Partial knit lines. Fashion garment with multiple structures or color blocks can be made using this function. Panel is split into partial knitted sections and are graded proportionally. Panel rotation. Slanted panels with knitted hems can be made easily to minimize cutting and linking. Panel divisions. Hoodies with multiple structures and colors can be divided into several panels with the division line function. Auto-generated plackets. Knitted plackets could be generated automatically on garment edges. There are multiple structures you could pick from and will be translated to knitting instructions automatically. Color lines. This function enables easy pattern creations for grading. We have various tools for technicians to draw Jacquard pattern, shapes, and define structure zones. These patterns will be graded in proportion, so technicians no longer need to edit knitting instructions for each size. Auto-generation of linking markers for graded garments. After grading, markers for linking are graded automatically as well to avoid linking errors. Multi-neck function. This function is for creating one-panel vests, cardigans, or shifted side seam garments. Split setup courses. This function is used to create two panel trousers, overalls, or split hem garments. SmartKnitter has a one-of-a-kind Jacquard features that makes it possible for knitwear to create realistic tie-dye, ombre, and other complex graphics. With our unique color grouping function and dithering, we are able to create this tie-dye effect with 4-color Jacquard. SmartKnitter is not just a tool, it is a game changer. There are many more features we offer that could revolutionize your factory. Please contact us for detailed demonstration.